the drink that is transforming the lives of more than 20,000 lives, among them women and men. Improving the fatigue effect of high blood pressure. Ending the fear of having a stroke from 1 hour to the next. Biosol GreenSol was created to help people change their diet, without spending many hours in the kitchen cooking. Making you feel healthier, increasing your metabolism and regulating your intestinal health to stop the bloating and making you lose the extra weight. With Biosol GreenSol you will transform your life, without having to kill yourself in the gym or use heavy and addictive stimulants. You will look in the mirror and feel much younger. People in your circle of family and friends will not believe what a motivated, more energetic person you will become. They will want to know your whole secret to getting rid of bloating and getting in a better mood. Spread energy and health wherever you go. Because Biosol GreenSol will make you feel more beautiful or handsome. Not only that, but it will help you get rid of the fatigue and stress of everyday life. Your aging metabolism will be revived. Research shows that Americans do not consume enough fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. You can save time and money. Biosol GreenSol is the world's first superfood drink that helps you regain your health by making you boost energy and eliminate bloat without that bad taste, so you can look and feel better than ever. Main ingredients of the drink: organic arthrospora. Increases calorie-burning metabolism. Organic spirulina. Detoxifies toxins from the body. Organic kale. Improves brain health. Organic wheatgrass. Strengthens immunity. Organic barley grass. Regulates insulin and blood sugar levels. Organic C. vulgaris. Prevents inflammation. Organic broccoli. Slows down the aging process. Organic beetroot. Increases endurance and improves heart health. Organic alfalfa. Manages unhealthy weight. Organic spinach. Prevents infections. Organic parsley. Gives dewy, glowing skin. Digestive enzymes and probiotics. Improves digestion to banish bloating. It is very easy to use. Just put a spoonful in a glass of water, mix, and your drink is ready to drink. The link to purchase is fixed in the first comment. See you guys.